Sunday night, we saw an intense line of thunderstorms move through the big country. Lots of wind damage, lots of large hail as well fell across the region. Tonight, we're seeing some storms across the Concho Valley, rather. Things are quiet for you in the big country. We are seeing one pretty powerful thunderstorm southwest of San Angelo. Crockett, Erie, and Schleicher counties included in a severe thunderstorm warning until 10 p.m. This is the one severe thunderstorm warning, but it's pretty intense, potentially producing over tennis ball sized hail. National Weather Service has this warned for 3-inch in diameter hail, which is larger than tennis balls, and also some very gusty winds. You see those bright red, even pink colors on radar. So some very gusty winds. If you live in that yellow shaded polygon, just want you to stay inside until that thunderstorm passes. Does include you in Nolke and Mertzen. Erie County, Tom Green County, Concho County, towards Kimball County, up towards Mitchell and Nolan counties, all included in a severe thunderstorm watch. That means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorm development until 2 o'clock in the morning. Abilene, you are not included in that pink shaded region. Keeping an eye on some thunderstorms well off to the west. They're west of Lubbock and Amarillo. Those are going to move eastward. It might impact portions of the Concho Valley and the big country. I expect them to weaken as they arrive in our neck of the woods. So here's a picture of what radar could look like going forward. Those thunderstorms we're seeing across the Concho Valley, expect them to weaken by about midnight, and then we'll be keeping our eyes on those thunderstorms out to our west. Timecast shows those storms being near Lubbock about 2 o'clock in the morning, and that's when they arrive in our neck of the woods. And you might potentially have a wet commute to work tomorrow morning. Pausing timecast 7 o'clock Tuesday morning. Seeing those showers and thunderstorms across the Concho Valley and the big country. I think this version, this computer model is overdoing the intensity a little bit. I expect them to maybe be marginally severe and also producing some heavy rainfall. By mid-morning, we'll have a little bit of a lull, and then Tuesday afternoon, some redevelopment. We have a upper level disturbance across the region, and that's what's going to allow for these rounds of showers and storms. Here's Tuesday at 5 p.m. and it looks like we could have a pretty wet Tuesday evening into the overnight hours. And then Wednesday into Wednesday afternoon, I think we will start to dry out at least a little bit. I do still have a 60% chance of showers and storms Wednesday. 1 out of 5 marginal risk for San Angelo Tuesday for that risk of some quarter-sized hail and some gusty straight line winds. 2 out of 5 slight risk to the southwest of Ozona, and a marginal 1 out of 5 risk for your Wednesday to the south of San Angelo. I do have weather impact alerts in effect just to give you that heads up about the low-end severe weather threat and also that potential for some heavy rainfall. 84 in San Angelo right now, and quite the lightning show on that San Angelo sky tracker. You just saw that big flash of lightning. 79 right now in Snyder. We'll be waking up in the upper 60s across the region Tuesday morning. I'm officially forecasting a high of 67 in San Angelo tomorrow. Have those red boxes just to give you the heads up about those storm chances. I know if you're like me, you're probably just about done with storm season, but don't worry. After those rain chances end Thursday, we look to be in a stretch of some dry and sunny weather. You can find all the details online. Bert?
On